Digital systems (DS) are at the heart of today's technological world, influencing almost every aspect of modern life. DSN8 2026 refers to the 8th digital system model or version introduced in 2026, representing a new level of advancement in computing, communication, and automation technologies. This version signifies the growing power of digital integration, combining artificial intelligence, cloud computing, data analytics, and automation into one efficient system. It is designed to meet the increasing demands of modern industries, from manufacturing and education to healthcare and transportation, and to make human work easier, faster, and more accurate. The DSN8 2026 operates on a highly intelligent architecture that uses improved algorithms, faster processors, and advanced machine learning systems. These improvements make it possible for the system to handle massive amounts of data in real time and provide accurate predictions or results. For example, in the healthcare sector, DSN8 can analyze patient data instantly and suggest treatments or diagnoses with precision. In manufacturing, it can control robotic arms and production lines with near-zero errors, ensuring maximum efficiency. The goal is to minimize human error while increasing productivity through automation and data intelligence. One of the most remarkable features of DSN8 2026 is its connectivity. It supports full integration with the Internet of Things (IoT), allowing machines, sensors, and devices to communicate seamlessly with one another. This means that factories, offices, and even homes can operate in a smart and connected environment. For instance, smart energy systems can monitor electricity usage and automatically adjust it to save power. In transportation, connected vehicles can share traffic data to reduce accidents and congestion. Such digital coordination enhances safety, sustainability, and convenience. Security is another vital element in DSN8 2026. As digital systems handle large volumes of sensitive information, cybersecurity has become a top priority. This version introduces quantum encryption and blockchain-based verification to prevent hacking and data leaks. It ensures that communication and transactions within the system remain private and trustworthy. This gives organizations and users confidence that their data is safe while interacting in a digital ecosystem. In education, DSN8 2026 has changed how learning takes place. Students can now experience personalized learning paths created by artificial intelligence, and teachers can monitor student progress in real time. Virtual and augmented reality are also integrated into the system, making education more interactive and engaging. Similarly, in business sectors, DSN8 provides powerful analytical tools that help leaders make data-driven decisions quickly, identifying trends and opportunities for growth. By 2026, DSN8 stands as a symbol of technological progress, combining intelligence, speed, and reliability. It is not just a tool but a partner in innovation, helping humans achieve more with less effort. As technology continues to advance, systems like DSN8 will pave the way for an even smarter and more connected world, where efficiency and creativity work hand in hand to shape the future.